There are a couple of ways that you can declare and initialize a string variable. You can say string variable equals word in double quotes. This will create variable as a reference to the string object word. String is a class and word is a string object. We use a string literal. A literal is a fixed value. A string literal is a collection of characters enclosed in double quotes. Word in double quotes is a string literal. We can also use a string constructor to create a string. There are several string constructors, but we're going to explore this one, string original. This initializes a newly created string object so that it represents the same sequence of characters as the original. The newly created string is a copy of the argument of string. It's important to remember that you're getting a copy of original. So let's see an example. String text equals new string word. We have the type of object that we're creating, the name of the variable, equals the keyword new, the name of the constructor, which is also the name of the class, and the string literal argument word. What that will do is it will create text as a reference to a copy of that string literal word that is also word. Remember, strings are immutable. Immutable means that they do not change. So, for example, if we say string text equals word, we have text referencing word. And then if we say text equals phrase, we create a new string phrase. And now text will get to reference phrase. And word no longer has a reference to it.